Hello my viewers, it's Tony the AC guy here, working on another unit. Always working on something. Anywho, I have a unit with high head pressure. It's not that warm today, but I got a sun hat on. I know as goofy as it may look, but it does keep you a little bit cooler. I'm trying to lower my head pressure. Instead of running 400 feet of garden hose up on this roof, I'm simply using just nitrogen. That's all I'm going to be doing. Head pressure's up a little bit higher than I want, so I'll show you here just a little demonstration. I'm just going to use just the nitrogen. Watch this dust. Let's see what happened to our head pressure. What do you know, it's starting to drop. I think I know what I'm doing here. Let's try it again. Sometimes getting water doesn't always happen, so this is a little bit easier. Over 50 psi. That'll lower our discharge air temp a little bit. So I'm just going to check superheat and all this. I had to add gas to it. I'm still looking for the leak on the system. I'll probably end up putting a leak sealer if it gets too involved, if it's inside the coil and I just can't reach it, because this thing apparently somebody had in writing that it gets gassed up every like 3 years, so there's definitely a small leak. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.